Welcome to EV Plug Pro's education series. Today, we are going to describe the necessary pictures needed for accurately providing a quote when installing an EV charger at your home. By providing these pictures, you're helping us gather essential information about your home's electrical system and the proposed installation site. Main electrical panel. We need a clear image of the amperage rating of the main breaker that is located at the top of your main electrical panel. This breaker's amperage indicates how much electrical capacity your home system can handle and whether your system can accommodate the additional load. Circuit breakers. Include legible images of all the circuit breakers to assess the available free space and capacity in the panel. We need to ensure that there's sufficient room for adding a new circuit breaker without overcrowding the panel. Panel schedules. Include images of the panel schedules and all labels inside of the main panel and any subpanels located in your home. This helps us identify existing circuits for load calculations. Conduit and wire run. Images from the electrical panel to the desired EV charger location is essential to understand the distance and path the wiring needs to take. This allows us to determine the feasibility of running new wiring from the panel to the charger location. Location of charger. A picture of the desired EV charger location helps us understand the physical setup and plan for the installation. This could be in your garage, outside, or any other location. Unfinished basement. Include basement pictures in case the electrical wiring needs to run through an unfinished basement. This allows us to see the layout and conditions of the space through which the conduit or wire will pass. Electrical drawings. Include any electrical drawings, layout, or sketches. This information is helpful for accurately assessing the requirements, potential challenges, and costs associated with installing an EV charger. Please text pictures or video to EV Plug Pros at 720-605-3110. If you have any questions about the picture requirements, feel free to reach out, and we'll be glad to assist you further.